everyone, this is Mike with ShadowTrader. I've been watching the chart of Intel for quite a while. We traded it a little bit last year. And the level here that is shown in these two purple lines, showing this support zone that was established way back in 2018 and really held quite well all the way through 2020. And then it came down and even tried to hold it a couple months. These are monthly candles, a couple of months before it fell on through in 22. And so as we moved into 23, we're moving back up and we come back across that line. And anytime I see a recovery like that, that in itself is notable. But when it comes across and it crosses back over back into this upper range, that is the most significant element of this chart. And it is the ruling reason why I have now reason to zoom in on this and take a closer look. So if I go all the way in, I don't even need to look at the weekly really. I just go all the way into a daily and see that the current price action has been trying to decide what to do with this level. And that's a good sign. That means that the market is still paying attention to that level. So now that we see in here, though, on a daily scale, we see that there's been a clear dividing line at the $45.30 area. And the attempt to break out that happened last December and into January fell right here. But this is all it could do, is come back down and fill in a little volume right here. You can imagine I'm back on that monthly chart what this volume histogram would look like. You'd have this large volume area here and a very low volume area right there, and then a larger one again underneath. Well, it's trying to fill this in a little bit, which is completely normal. But the point now being that it appears as though it has decided once again that this support wants to hold. So it won't take me hardly any money whatsoever to take this trade right here. And I did take it here this morning. And at this price, it's pretty much sitting at right now. And I'll get out of it if it fails and goes down to 44.75 or whatever. And might even add a little bit if it comes down in here and plays around and continues to honor this line. But until further notice, as long as it honors this line, I will hold the trade. So there's very little risk and good potential asymmetric opportunity to the upside if this market wants to go back to a weekly here. And if this market wants to spend some time moving back up into these upper ranges here. So all I can do is get involved and see if it happens and let it reward me if it does. And so I thought I'd show that chart to you today. And however you like to trade, options, shares, whatever you like to do, the opportunity is possibly shaping up there, and certainly doesn't take any money really to find out if this is going to work. And if I get stopped out, I probably will continue to watch this, because the zone here, as expressed by these purple lines, is the ruling reason for the trade. And until this fails, I will continue to watch further for, again, if this fails, I'll still continue to watch further for opportunity to get in long on this to the upside.
Hi, my name is Mike with the ShadowTrader SquawkBox. I'd like to invite you to join me in the trading room where we study charts together, search out good trade ideas, and we spend quite a bit of time talking about what it takes to get along successfully in this journey that we are all on. Oh, by the way, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons below if you enjoyed this video today. And as we always say here at ShadowTrader, I wish you good trading, and I'll see you in the room.